Hi everyone, and today we're going to learn about subtraction with fruits. What is subtraction? Subtraction is about taking away from a group to see what's left. Let's say you have 5 apples and you eat 2. How many apples are left after eating? 5 minus 2 is blank. How to subtract? Start with the first number. Let's say you have the number 5. If you're subtracting another number like 2, take away that many from the first number. So you take away 2 from 5. Find. After taking away, you find that you have 3 left. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. And that's the answer. Let's practice some subtraction. What is 5 minus 2? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 3. Yes. Using the number line, start with the first number. Let's say you have the number 5. Find the number 5 on the number line. Move backward. Move back. Now move backward along the number line by the amount you want to subtract. In this case, move back 2 spaces. Stop. When you've moved back 2 spaces, you'll reach the number 3. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now let's do other equations. What is 6 minus 2? 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 4. What is 9 minus 3? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The answer is 6. What is 5 minus 4? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 1. What is 7 minus 7? 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7 minus 7 equals 0. What is 6 minus 3? The answer is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Check for understanding. What is 4 minus 1? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 3. What is 6 minus 5? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 1. What is 5 minus 1? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 4. What is 4 minus 3 big watermelons? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 watermelon is left. What is 6 peaches minus 3 peaches? 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. What is 9 minus 2? 9 bananas minus 2. The answer is 7. What is 6 minus 6? 3, 2, 1. The answer is 0. What is 5 minus 2? The answer is 3. What is 7 minus 4? 3, 2, 1. The answer is 3. Yes. What is 3 minus 0? The answer is 3. Nothing's been taken away. What is 8 minus 7? 3, 2, 1. The answer is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. What is 4 minus 1? 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 3. What is 2 minus 1? 2 strawberries minus 1. 3, 2, 1. The answer is 1. It doesn't show the answer. Keep learning. Thank you for watching. So then, bye everyone. See you in our next video.